Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Crimson Desert game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off blood within the game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Crimson Desert on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you can continue playing from wherever you last left off, or you may go into settings directly by pressing the start button or the O button on your keyboard. From here you can navigate into the accessibility section, and within this page you can find the display blood option. This is turned on by default, so if you want to turn it off, you can set this to off and then press the apply button. Then once again press apply to save your changes, and now you can enjoy your game without any blood. If you wish to enable this once again, go back into settings, and from accessibility, you may once again set this toggle to on. So there you have it. That is how you can turn off blood within the game on Crimson Desert. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.